Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Word number 64. Gwaenchana. Again, it's Gwaenchana. The Korean word Gwaenchana is an informal way to say it's okay. Again, Gwaenchana means it's okay. And as mentioned, this is the informal way of saying it's okay. How do we write Gwaenchana in Hangul? This is composed of 3 syllables. For the first syllable, Gwen, we need to draw first a Gyo character, followed by an O character, followed by an E character, followed by a Neon character. And as you would notice, the combination of the O and E sound led to the creation of the We sound. So that's it for the first syllable. For the next syllable, Chan, we need to draw a Chiat character, followed by an A character, followed by a Neon character, followed by a Hyo character. And for the last syllable, A, we need to draw a placeholder Iyong, followed by an A character. And then we just need to combine these 3 syllables. And with that, you've just learned Gwaenchana. Now let's proceed to our previous 10 words recap. As of now, our previous 10 words are words number 54 to 63. But don't forget our word for today, word number 64, Gwaenchana. This is an informal way of saying it's okay. The first word for our review is utta. This is a verb which means to smile or laugh. Next word is 마시다. This is another verb which means to drink. Next word for our review is 먹다. This is another verb which means to eat. Next word is 갑시다. This is a formal way of saying let's go. Next word is 가자. This is an informal way of saying let's go. Next word is 울다. This is a verb which means to cry. Next word is 하다. This is another verb which means to do. Next word is 가다. This is another verb which means to go. Next word is 뭐예요 or 뭐예요, and this is used to say what is it. And the last word for our review is 이름. This is the Korean term for name. Congrats! Learn Korean one word at a time only here at Dae-Hangul. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more Korean words.